Welcome to 550 Spring Street, unit number 1, also known as 5 on Springs Townhomes. There's 5 units here available right here for sale, newly constructed townhomes right here in Fall River. These townhomes feature 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 1,900 square feet, and a little over a mile to the new South Coast Commuter Rail. If you don't know me already, my name is Lisa Moura. I'm a South Coast, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island real estate agent, and I'm here to give you your home tour of these newly constructed townhomes, checking out unit number 1 today. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave them down in the comments and make sure you like and subscribe so you see more home tours like this one, making your life easier, giving you a personal tour. So let's go check it out. That concludes today's home tour of 550 Spring Street, unit number 1, 1 out of 5 townhomes available right now for sale in Fall River. If you are further interested or would like a private showing, make sure you contact me. My contact information will be down in the description below. If you know someone looking to buy, sell, or invest, make sure you send them my way. And without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me for more home tours.